Hello guys,
Hello.
we are continuing what we have done last time along my friends. We are doing this not to influence others, the good thing we do. And then I even like to give thanks to my friend Zors and Loon for supporting my idea. To help the orphanage and then to help
Always.
the needless. So I give thanks to them for supporting my. So we have reached the place. Only grass. Zetame Road, vengnuam.
Okay, so this is our second trip. The first trip was great, and this is our second trip, and it's at Only Grace, and this is the thing, a box full of cakes we're gonna give to the orphans. So let's get inside.
Orpha. Nabon ni takpa. Ilang kat. Tu kasi bonu mahi kaloi chan pani to kapatumo soda pat kalangai tu sau le mundang ane kalabon kap ta mo mundang ane kalabo sau so tu atum rin amun thum na dinga khang bo na le hi mo so athil bo le bang thupi da lui ki le pathin mi na neo chaka bo khamu bo la kal sun ka iwa tu na na mi lo khamu le kha che pa ka lo mun na ka un ki
Na pang tiang du di bang se bang kipele afel ke tiang nem tio kama kasum din ka bol wa ikha tune kong sa eta itu ni da pata le dahi kanang good sa tu hi na le gen ma bang ko le sil hi je ka exam ni to le khalam ya tama dahi mo na sum kine yang ki phaman lo ki phaman lo tin bang ke ta thamasa lam phai ta ne orphanage home dan on ka ve wa kita akan mereka buat filter kita ama dok dia oleh so kita buat itu nanti nilai ini nama tidak dengan oleh kita di mana mah ini tak sampai ke teman lawan hai deh kami anak kita orang lain lama itu jenis ini apa
So this is all the pictures they pasted inside the gallery. This board, then some awards books. The workers is supported by ZMA, the women associations. This is their hall where they came together for programs. Then Only Grace, Mother Teresa. So may God bless them, be with them, may God be with each one of them. Everyone, say hi. The place in Lamka, ZMA Road. Please give a visit and then give them a helping hand.